Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Abuzar Momin. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add text to your images and create a stunning hover effect in WordPress using Elementor, no coding required. This is a great way to make your website more interactive and visually appealing. So, let's dive right in and start enhancing your images with just a few clicks. Let's create a new container. Let me add margins so you can focus better. Make sure you to have 20 pixels in parent's container. Now remove paddings from child containers. Duplicate it so we can customize it in better way. Now search for call to action. Drag and drop to the child container. Now select image from media library. Give height as you want. Now watch carefully, change it from classic to cover. Let's go to hover effect. Here you need to change hover animation to fade in. Boom! You can see it's done. Here are more settings you can play with it. See, we have CSS filters. We can blur the image without any coding. Now, let me duplicate this for 2 more images. We can delete other containers. Okay, let me show you one more thing in bonus. Now I'm going to add shadow effect. Let's see how it will look. And let's add border radius too. Now, to make all the containers same, let's copy. And make sure to select paste style, not paste. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and are ready to add some cool hover effects to your images using Elementor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.